Well, hello friends. Today we're making this spring floral display. I'm using it as a reading nook in my house, but this could be used as a photo op, a window display, and so much more. Now the base of this is recycled from my Valentine's Day, which was recycled from my 8 other things, but short version, Ansley stand from Shop Wild Things, plastic chicken mesh across the top with zip ties. I'm using lights and a pool noodle all zip tied in, and adding greenery and floral that I have on hand. You might have seen this floral last year from one of my other tablescapes. I'll link that down below. But all we're doing here is we're putting the big green floral in first. You might need some zip ties for some of the larger pieces. And all we're doing is layering in the biggest floral, the biggest greenery, and then working our way smaller. So you can see here how we started with the lilies and the bougainvillea and some of the larger greenery. And we're just scattering it out. Now with all floral, or most floral, whatever you do to one side, you try to do a mirror on the other side. So that's what we're doing, and we're just layering in the greeneries and the textures and kind of creating, in this instance, a bang set so we can cover the lights. Look at this handsome boy. For those of you who don't know, that's Wally, one of our golden doodles. Now I'm using a green tablecloth, also used previously, and attaching it to create kind of a fun curved backdrop. It has a lot of texture and it adds a lot of fun interest. It's attached with magnets and super easy to install. Now because the weight of the floral is so heavy on the front, we've offset it by hanging some extra tablecloths and linens and curtains along the back behind the tablecloth, as well as put a couple boxes of cans at the bottom just to help weigh everything just for safety purposes. But the great thing is the tablecloth is attached via magnets. So easy peasy, just pull the fabric around, attach the magnet, and boom, it's all installed with magnets. Everything else I pretty much either had on hand or got from Goodwill or the thrift store, or trash diving, to be honest with you. The only thing I had to buy were the pink pillowcases, but everything else, the wire foam, the butterfly lights, those all came from Goodwill. I found the books in the trash, and that's a table from Goodwill that we covered with green extra tablecloth there. It looks so cool at night. I wish I could show you guys more. But until next time, I hope you enjoy this. Feel free to ask any questions about creating something like this at your own home or retail display, wherever you find a need for it. It's so fun and really, really just delightful for spring. Okay, until next time, friends, I'm Alessandra. Thanks for decorating with me today.